Link Edo State communities so that we can remove this suffering and this pain which we are experiencing in Edo, even though this availability of strategic roads are supposed to be to our benefit, because it brings traffic from all over the country to our states. Unfortunately, we are not enjoying that benefit today. So by the grace of God, I now declare, I now cut the tape to formally open this road and flag it off for use. To the glory of God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost.
That Owan West has concluded, have finally decided to vote PDP in this country.
Put your hands together. Owan West is secure. We have a digital speaker. He's saying go back there well.
Today, the few persons you see here today is because of the impromptu meeting. If they have given us up to 48 hours, this crowd would have been times two of what.
Put your hands together. Owan West.
His Excellency, the outgoing and the incoming. This is Owan West. Also welcome his entourage. Today is our D-Day. It is true that we are more than this. It's coming. There is no option. No option.
PDP all the way.
PDP all the way.
Asue Ighodalo.
Asue Ighodalo all the way.
Put your hands together. Asue Ighodalo. Thank you.
All of you, people who just collected their PVC.
Yes.
People who just come of age of 18 and can vote. Please, canvass them.
Thank you.
We need those people to act to us.
Pro-Wike.
But what I'm assuring the governor today and the incoming governor is that if I'm in Owan West,
so
blessed Abubakar is in Owan West.
They're not rich.
The local government is covered.
They're not rich. They're not rich.
Now PDP, I get Owan West. Not be so. People were there inside kind of himself. But the past those were the people inside the canopy, they are more than those people standing here. Owan West is for PDP. right from day one, we have always won our West. I change it.
I change it.
Today our governor is here.
Yes.
Today our deputy is here.
So
today our next governor Asue Ighodalo is here.
Incoming.
And his deputy Osaroge.
Incoming.
On the 21st of September, we are going to do Bajuwa Koi Naira Gele Oyaki Omejuwa Koi Naira Gele Oyaki Bajuwa Koi Naira Gele Oyaki Gele Oyaki Omejuwa Koi Naira Gele Oyaki. Most of the people in particular, today you are giving the staff of office to the honorary of Ozala. On behalf of the Ozala clan, I want to thank you, Excellency. I think this will also boost our vote in that clan. You have done today, I will do very soon. Ozala will be total. From here now, I will move to Ozala. They want to also give me a chieftaincy title in Ozala.
Double chief. Double chief. That is why we must not give government house to apprentice.
Last month.
Don't give government house to a organizer.
Last month.
No way, God forbid.
Last month, the people of Sobe, last year, the people of Sobe also gave me a chieftaincy title as the IPOB of Sobe Kingdom.
Chief.
Today, the Ozala clan, the good people of Ozala, they are saying, of Ozala clan, we are very grateful to you. On behalf of our West people, Excellency, we say thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
What's about Owan? If you know you are the camping today to our great party,
because of you into the Peoples Democratic Party.
Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together.
Into the party. You are now full-fledged members of the Peoples Democratic Party. Welcome. Congratulations.
Put your hands together for them.
Don't worry. We will now call on nnamdikanu to speak to our people.
I want to tell you now, say today now una day. And I want to tell you now, say only one candidate we get for Edo State for this election. And that candidate name now Asue Ighodalo. And Osaroge for deputy. I want to tell you now, say that day make everybody they feed. When una faith finish as women, I trust you now. Make una not come out until they can't the vote. Una see all of us go back to our house, go sleep. Una hear me? Una go to am. God bless you.
PDP deputy. I swear for governor, okay for deputy. I swear for governor, okay for deputy.
People, I greet you now. Good morning. His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, Chief Okasime of Igara Kingdom, the Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebako. I beg, and I go just permit me, because for Edo North, all of us are leaders, so make I stand on the already established protocols because of time. Our campaign, they're very different. Now they hear me, PDP people. One of you now got talk just at the party chairman. Safe to say again, 48 hours notification, the population for be times 2. With this population self, if now bring 10 for ourselves. This one now be organic PDP followers. Not be so. For you to agree to wear this cap, as I do my mathematics, I see and say if now bring 10 persons, we don't close this election before 2 o'clock. Number 2 be say,
because of the speaker when come from this place and una chairman wey get experience well, they sabi accommodate other people irrespective of party lines. Abeg una, people too like our candidate. E be like garri for market. They know the advertiser. You don't see they advertise garri for TV. So abeg una, make una no use PDP to do it because this man a governor for everybody for Edo State. Those people don't accept Asue Ighodalo and PDP. So make we not use our hands. They form leader. Now be our problem for a donut. Make we just open up, make Labour, APC come. They even get interest. Pass the traditional PDP people, global icon to come out from Edo Rema. He do show. Now watch out, make go the Obaseki. No, now clap for the speaker and all the leaders. That's just one of the many things when he don't do. The way Naira don't devalue 12 billion and small money. And I shall say, if you pass like that, I just use normal common sense, do the math with the quality of road and the drains where they're there. So a lot like this going to happen. We for a donut, our campaign not too much. We get deputy governor, we get speaker. We don't really get too much reasons. But just to let you know, say Obaseki don't live.
They clap for yourselves, I beg. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are in Owan West. This is the first local government we are doing an LGA campaign. You know why? You know why? Una too much now. Una too much. Una too much.
Stop this now.
So first, as a party, we want to thank una as una take vote for una son, make him come House of Assembly. We miss, come choose out, make him be speaker. You never do well for now. Never do well for now. Okay. As the party they thank una for doing that one. I don't do that one. Speaker don't emerge. Speaker don't they do some kind of small things. This one now, we all can tell una say, okay, not be small thing, abi. If they do plenty things, I beg clap for speaker, clap for speaker. So I want make be say that relationship wey dey between PDP and Owan West, I want make it continue. I want make una vote for our candidate when we choose for this party on the 21st of September. I'm not going to vote for her. Una know why I go vote for her? Because the kind thing wey speaker don't do for now, you know if you compare that to wetin if he do for now. Because he go. Because he's capable. He know what he did. Today, I'll just tell you that only one thing for Owan West, because I see what they happen here. Owan West is in the bag. Una know say APC as a party not get agents for 3,307 polling units out of the 4,519 polling units for Edo State. Una know? No. Una know? No. How they go take fee upload agents list? Now technical thing, now smartness. When you get the leader for Edo State, Atos Oshomole, he not go school. He go school? No. The candidate of the party, Jared Tenebe, he go school? No. He not go school. Their candidate, they even go worse part. That one not just go at all. So you can see those three people. They go collect their people, they can upload thing for them. Computer can reject all of them. The three Aruba make you upload for them. So a party where not fit upload common agents list into INEC portal. If he govern our state, they go vote for them. And people that take stick, they drive them, they go because they don't want out. So we believe say we and Owan West will get relationship. So the beg una, I beg. The person we will go vote for the first that this party's candidate. Abi? Because what your Obaseki don't do, I love you talk and finish. And because of that, I have the honor and privilege to call on the Emmaton of the universe, the man in whom we are all pleased, the man that will bring us to Salebe Avenue,
the amount of world of the universe.
Don't tell them say our eye don't clear. Tell them say our eye don't open. Tell them say our eye don't clear. Tell them say I swear I no gain and we need. Election never started on they see different posters. Look inside the poster, see the face of vampires. Those old politicians where they don't fool up before they don't go reinforce again. This time they're planning on the war. Tell them say our eye don't clear. Tell them say our eye don't open. Tell them say our eye don't clear. Tell them say I swear I no gain and we need. And now that talk, that be my homework. Now we go use tell them waiting face up. Tell them say hey I don't come. Tell them say I swear I no gain and we need you. Tell them say hey I don't come. Tell them say I swear I no gain and we need you.
PDP! The one that they see. They say the one when they're on that canopy. Now plenty pass. If you don't say you're on that canopy, come out. I want to see you. I want to make sure that you're there here. When I come out, my mama people, I want to see you now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. PDP. I swear for governor. PDP.
Asue Ighodalo, man we sabi. You better of them all. Now him go lead us to the promised land. Asue Ighodalo.
Hey, DJ, keep on.
Deputy material 1 million years. He go follow lead us to the promised land.
Are you ready now? 1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah. Forward.
One time,
If I swear they prosper, Allah go down, we know they go back. Asue Ighodalo for governor. Yeah.
Ighodalo, we know they go back. Asue Ighodalo. Owan West answer me, oh. Hey, say you go vote for PDP.
PDP, go better